Hi, good morning po, good day sa lahat ng ICT Pearl. So ito po yung lesson 1 po natin. Ang lesson 1 po natin is what is operating system. So is operating system, makikita po natin dito is web conference through Google Meet. So makikita po natin dito yan. Kapag okay na po yan, makikita nyo po naka-check na po dito sa gilid ng right side. So first of all, kailangan po syempre ng self-introduction. Yan. Kiklik mo po natin to. Yan, antayin lang po natin. Yan, ang self-introduction. So babasahin ko po ang self-introduction. Thank you for enrolling this course on Computer System Servicing NC3. The first thing that you are going to do is to introduce yourself to your facilitator and your co-participant. The data that you are going to put in discussion forum can be seen by other participants, so be cautious on the words that you are going to use. As you introduce yourself, please give us the following data. Yan. Ito po yung kailangan nyo sagutan. Your name, section, strand, and your thoughts about this course. Sir, paano po mag-submit po ng ganyan? Ganito po yan. Click nyo po yung add a new discussion topic. Yan, magpapakita ito. Yan, lalagay nyo po yung subject dito na pangalan na lang ilalagay ninyo. Sample is Juan de la Cruz. Ayan, Juan de la Cruz. Then, dito, kukopen nyo po ito. Ay, a-answeran nyo po ito. Your name. Lagay mo dyan yung pangalan mo, strand, your thoughts about this course. Pagkatapos po niyan, kiklik yung post forum. Pag naklik mo na, magpa-pop up na siya dito. Pag okay na yung self-introduction ninyo, punta na kayo sa information sheet. Dito sa information sheet, kiklik nyo po yan. Pwede nyo po yan i-download o di kaya pwede nyo rin siyang mas maganda po i-download nyo, pero mas maganda pong i-download ninyo para mag-view po ninyo. Dito sa information sheet, makikita natin dito yung lecture po natin. What is operating system? Makikita po natin dito yung operating system na ginagawa po natin. Yan. Ako po yung author. Introduction. Operating system is a software commonly simplified as OS. Pag sinabing OS, operating system po yan. Next. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer memory, processes, and all its software and hardware. It also allow you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. So, ang operating system natin, napakahalaga po niyan. Dahil kapag wala pong operating system ang computers, mga tablets, mga gadgets, hindi po gagana yan. Okay? Parang ihalin ko po siya sa tao. Tulad ko po yan sa tao. Example po yan sa tao is kaluluwa ng isang tao. Kapag wala po siyang pag wala pong kaluluwa ang katawan, hindi po natin ito magagamit. Ganun din po sa mga gadgets po natin. Kapag walang operating system, hindi po gagana ang cellphone, computers, TV, lahat po yan nakaprogram na po. Okay? Next, learning objectives. After reading this information sheet, you must be able to know the meaning of operating system, explain types of operating system and its function. Next, how does it works? Computer operating system or OS manage all the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time, there are several different computer programs running at the same time. And they all need to access your computer central processing unit, memory, and storage. The operating system coordinates all of these to make sure each program gets what it needs. Ibig sabihin, ang operating system po natin, siya po nagmamanage po lahat ng software tsaka hardware. Ano po ba yung software na natin? Example po niyan yung mga Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel. Ayun po yung mga example po ng software po natin. Ibig sabihin po, nakikita natin pero hindi natin siya nahawakan. Example din po ng hardware. Example po ng hardware po natin. Example po niyan is yung mga keyboard, mouse, headset, camera. Ayan po yung mga example po ng hardware. Then nasa loob din po yung ng PC is hardware po yan. Basta nakahawakan, tangible po siya. Hardware po yan. Next, user. Ang user, tayo yon. Okay? It pertains to the end user. Example, students surfing the web. Tayo yan. A teacher making lesson plan. Tayo yan. Or a software developer coding for his web app. Tayo din po yan. Ang tinatawag po dyan user, tayo yan. Okay? Application. Application. Example po yan, sinabi ko po kanina, itong tatlong yan. Software that installed in a device to perform a specific task. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga ginagawa natin sa computer po natin o sa mga gadgets po natin, that's the software or application. Okay? Operating system. Operating system. Ito po yung mga logo ng operating system po natin. Sample ng logo ng operating system. Nandiyan na po sa baba. It manages the computer memory, processes, software, and hardware. Hardware naman. It pertains to physical components of devices, including storage devices, where OS and apps reside. Yan. Ang hardware, ulitin ko, nakahawakan po yan. Next, types of operating system. Operating system is usually come preloaded on any computer that you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it's possible to upgrade or even change operating system. The three most common operating system of several computers are, ito yung mga available sa computer po natin na operating system: Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS X, and Linux. Example po niyan, tatlong po yan. Sa Microsoft Windows, ibig sabihin, meron nakapaloob po sa kanya mga version. Ganun din po sa Apple o di kaya sa Linux. And three typical OS for mobile or tablet are Google Android, Apple iOS, and Windows Phone. Ibig sabihin, ito naman po yung mga tatlong to, ang ginagamit po dito is mga mobile or tablet. Yan. Windows 10. Windows 10's latest update is the May 2019 update, which is version 1904, 1903, and was codenamed 19H1 during development. It features a light theme, speed improvements, and lots of features. The stable update began rolling out on May 29, 2019 and become available to everyone as June 6, 2019. Yan, dati po kasi ang Windows 10, free trial lang po siya. Kasi, bakit po? Kasi dati po, yung Microsoft Corporation, yung Windows 8 na operating system, may bug po yun. Kaso nilabas na, finablish na yung operating system na po yun. Kaya meron pong sumunod na operating system na 8.1, Windows 8.1. Kaya ang Windows 10, nag-free trial lang muna para makikita po yung error. Ngayon, ginagamit na po natin as of now. Okay? Marami po siyang features. Next. Windows 10 OS in HoloLens 2. Ibig sabihin, hologram. Yan, Windows 10. Next. Mac OS Catalina version 10.15 is the 16th major release of Mac OS. Apple Apple's desktop operating system for Macintosh computers. It is the successor to macOS Mojave and was announced at WWDC 2019 on June 3, 2019. Yan po yung ginagamit ng mga MacBook laptop. Next, Linux Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a free and open source Linux distribution based on Debian. Ubuntu officially released in 3 editions: desktop, server, and core. The latest version of Ubuntu operating system for desktops and laptops is Ubuntu 19.04. Ibig sabihin, ang Linux po, marami pong version yan. Kaso hindi po natin siya familiar, pero sa mga IT na katulad ko, familiar po ako dyan sa Linux Ubuntu na yan. Yan. Next, Android Q. Android Q is the upcoming 10th major release and the 17th version of the Android mobile operating system. The final release of Android Q is scheduled for release in third quarter of 2019. Ayan po yung update po nila sa 2019. Alam ko lang po kung meron na pong update ngayon 2020. Ginagamit po yan sa Android phone. Next, iOS 13 is the 13th major release on the iOS mobile operating system developed by Apple Incorporation, being the successor to iOS 12. It was announced at the company Worldwide Developers Conference on June 3, 2019 and is scheduled to be released in fall of 2019. Ito naman po yung mga available sa iPhone users. Next, Windows 10 Mobile. Windows 10 Mobile is a mobile operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is an iteration of the Windows Phone product line and a successor to Windows Phone 8.1. Windows 10 Mobile OS is no longer available in the market. Mainstream support ends on December 10, 2019 due to less popular and very low market share. Ibig sabihin po, ang Windows 10 po natin hindi po masyado na familiar ng mga tao dahil siyempre nakagista na po natin yung Android, yung iOS, yan, yung Windows 10 mobile, hindi na po natin napamilya. Kadalasan po kasi sa mga gumagamit ng Windows 10 mobile yung Xperia, Sony Xperia. That's the mobile phone operating system. Ayun po yung brand na gumagamit ng Windows 10 mobile. Hindi na siya naging familiar kaya nag-Android na lang. Kaya binitawan na rin po ng Microsoft Corporation. Yan, ang standing naman po ng mga operating system po natin is the number 1 desktop operating system in the world, ang Windows. Mapapansin nyo po dito, 87.47% ang Windows. So, ang macOS or iOS or sa mga Apple users, 9.73%. Dito naman sa Linux, ito po yung mga logo po nila ha. Sa Linux naman po, 2.8%. Ang logo po ng Linux is Penguin. Ang Penguin na po yan, may pangalan po yan. Kung di ako nagkakamali, siya po si Tux. Okay po, TUX. Okay, next. Android is the most popular mobile operating system. It dominates the 70% of mobile users worldwide. Yan po. Yung gumagamit po ng mga sa mobile, sa cellphone, Android po ang nangunguna with 70%, iOS 28%, and yung iba is 2% lang. Sana nakinig po kayo sa discussion po natin kasi may quiz po kayo after the information sheet. Okay? Punta po tayo dito. Pagkatapos po yan, mag-quiz na po kayo. Yan yung quiz. Isang attempt lang po yan. Ibig sabihin, isang beses mo lang siya gagawin. Kung anong score mo, yun na lang po. Sana nakinig, nag-take down notes para masagutan yung quiz. Time limit, 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang. Pag in-start mo na yan, start na yung 5 minutes. Activity number 1. Sa activity number 1, open mo yung files. Pag na-open mo yung files, ito po yung activity po ninyo. Activity number 1. Draw at least 10 computer and mobile operating system. Marami po yan sa Google. Pwede nyo po siyang tignan. Okay? Saan po ilalagay? Ilalagay po yan sa short band paper. Okay? Kailangan hindi po lang siya drawing na basta-basta, ha? Ipipicturean nyo rin po yan. Isasubmit po siya dito. Pictures, ilalagay dito. Hintayin natin. Yan. So, dito, ilalagay nyo po yung submit dito. Submit. Ilalagay nyo dyan. Ako kasi ako yung teacher, kaya ganyan yung nakikita ko. So, pag nakita ko na na-submit nyo na, lahat pala ng activities nyo guys, kailangan po naka-compile po yan sa plastic envelope. Yan, ito. Ibig sabihin, yung mga pangalan nyo nandito na. Yung mga submission, wala pa. So, wala pa pong makagawa. Okay, so, yun. Kung may tanong po kayo, sa ano po natin, sa lectures po natin, kanina, comment nyo na lang po sa comment button dito sa baba. Then, sasagutin ko po yan. Yan, sa pag-grades po, ganito po. Sample. Yan, si Mark Jason. Not graded. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya nag-grade, tsaka nag-attempt. Dito ko po siya grade. Kung maganda po, kung maganda yung gawa, 100%. Okay? Then, magko-comment ako dito. Babasahin nyo po yan kung anong comment ko dyan. Kung wala, okay lang yan. Yan, pag okay na, yan, mag okay na to sa lesson 1, magkakaroon ng check na yan dito. Ibig sabihin, okay na yung lesson 1 po natin. Magkakaintindihan? Yan lang po. Maraming salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat.